Hi guys, it's me, Wolf Dragon here, and today we are going to be playing the wolf. And okay, I like this team already. Ooh, there's a wolf thing there. Well, obviously that was a cool one. Obviously. I'm just going to say hi. Hi. Are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Are y'all coming? Come on. Come on. Actually, we howl. Oh, you're glitching the ground. Woo, made it. Left. Hey, nice. Oh, that. Okay, I feel really sorry. I feel really sorry for them. I feel really sorry for them. I want to join Red Team. Join? Join? See, now I want to join them. Join? Join? Join. I want to join. Finger feels weird. I just want to join. I can do this and just be like, I don't know what I'm doing, but all I know is I'm going straight forward. I really want to join. Me no kill. I come in peace. Oh. Okay. Then I come in peace as well. Why? Why? Well, because... Oh, who said that? Oh, obviously I want to join Red. Oh, finally. Please don't change on me. Don't change on me. Ooh, yes. Don't switch out dark. Just player. Ooh, okay. Kill dark. Oh, it's Dark Wolf. Gil. I see. Nicole, yeah. Oh, fight for you. Okay, for you. Yeah. I'll fight for you, Dark Wolf. I didn't have any moves left. Come on, I'll fight for you. I'm really nice. Come close. Whoop. I may be weak, but I'm strong. I'll give you a poison now. I have 3 flipping wolves on me. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I poison. I don't like that when I'm poisoned. Grr, coming back for vengeance. Dang, I was gonna put poison on them. Things don't work like that. Oh, I'm poisoned. There we go. Oh, thank you. I put poison on you, and I heal me, and then I'll kill you. Never mind. Oh, that's flipping why. Help! Ugh. 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 I spelled that wrong. Ugh. Ugh. That's what I meant. I meant ugh. How many? Oh, we shall beat them at last. Got them. Don't care if I'm poison. Woo! I killed. Hey. Get back here. There we go. Blue team is what? Is pussies. Yeah. So, yeah. Yep. See you. Okay, help. Yep, you do. Okay. In your base. I'm in your base. Me, no. Why are you cussing in my video? Why you cuss in my video? Why are you cussing my video? Why are you cussing my video? Who is? Okay, I don't understand that. Say slut? Is that a bad word? Pushy. Pushy. Me a pushy. Me a pushy. I'm not a pushy. You a pushy. You a pushy. You a pushy. What is going on with this? Mother. I just have like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Fuck. Why you cuss in my video? Why are you cussing my video? I became alpha. Best spot. Best part. This is where my base is. Hi. We're excited. They have literally no idea. Fight me. Wait. You're streaming? Yes. Yeah. Same thing, yeah. It's empty. Ha. Cool. No one's home. Haha. No one's home. Haha. No one's home. Haha. I shouldn't have said that. Code Max. Okay, I'm not. Oh, shoot. No one's home. Haha. Left game. Is he gonna join game? Because I have. You know what? Yippee, yippee, yip. Go, go, go. Nicole, you son. Uh, why are you cussing my vid? I'm son. You cussing my video, how dare you? How dare you? I am trying to keep the cussing low in my vids. Actually, no cussing whatsoever, and do you see what my problem is? I tried to stop cussing for y'all viewers, and guess what? They're cussing, and they're influencing me. Influencers. That's what they are. Why can't I get up on this right now? There we go. I'm up on the right. Boy, I'm not your son, mother. I'm a YouTuber. Stop cussing in my vid. In my video. Video. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording. Oh, you right now. I'm recording all of you right now. Nicole, you liar. I'm not Nicole. This is my Danielle. It's like, why are you hanging around here? It's just an empty cave. Well, this some of what you call cave is my den. Thank you. So, yeah, you. I don't know what to do. I really want to go out and play. Playing dirty as what? 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 Oh. What's your channel? Don't ask. Help. Okay. It's wolf dragon, but type in the wolf #1. Oh. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna answer that. Don't ask. I'm not asking. I'm just like, okay, I'm out of it. You know? Truth. What? Where is everybody? I can't. Hold on. Hold on, people. Hold on. Daniel, I'm sorry. Yes. Connor. Yes, you never on. Yes. So accept. And yeah. So accept. You better. You will in peace. You better. I said that. Not asking. Honestly, I could take it. Are you calling me a... Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Okay, thank God. No. These girls are easy to take care of. Yes, you are. The only thing you can say is, shut up. Whether tickles you, your... Oh my God. Sorry. It's okay. Hi friend, I'm coming. I am coming. Quick. Max out. Obviously, I'm not gonna attack unless you attack. What? Okay, I'll be back, guys.